Hi, it's Mike Ryan again. I want to talk about starting your company and what are some key elements in doing that. And I cover this in a number of videos that I have, and they go specific into different areas. But one of the things that I talk to entrepreneurs and founders and people who are looking to start the business, they may have a business plan, which is great. It's an internal document, but really what you need to do instead of trying to, as I say, boil the ocean or solve world hunger and come up with a great idea, a great vision, is really to start small and to have some, as I say, baby steps as you try to develop your company at least early on. And so one of the ways that I think that entrepreneurs can do that is to remain focused. And three key things: focus, focus, focus. Put the blinders on. Try not to be distracted for what else is going on, and really stay with your vision. That being said, you also need to be willing to pivot. And I go into greater detail, some other videos about pivoting and the key to that, and recognizing when's a good time to pivot. But really, a key for entrepreneurs and founders is to stay focused on what they're trying to do and keep their team focused on what they're trying to achieve. The other thing that they really need to do is to prove their concept in the marketplace and get feedback from customers. Hopefully, that's paying customers, and that's really the third thing that you need to do, and that's have capital. And whether you have savings that you've have, or you're able to raise some capital through, as I said, the family or friends or fools that are around you that believe in you, that are going to invest in you because you're growing a company beyond the lifestyle company, then I think that's something you need to do. I always say that the best source of capital is customers, paying customers, because that does a number of things. It proves your concept in the marketplace. It says people are willing to pay for it. It also says that you're able to raise capital, whether it's initial round that you may be doing at the seed round, or you're really trying to prove to others externally that may not know you that yes, you have proven that your idea works, that your vision is set, and yet you have paying customers as you grow and you scale. So those are really some of the concepts that I think you really should think about as you're starting your company. Is that you need to have focus, focus, focus. You need to really prove the concept within the marketplace so you get feedback from customers that are actually paying. And so the best source of capital is really customers paying you. And then if you need money to scale, whether you're a technology company and you're at Series A and you scale from you start at 3 or 4 million Series A, or you're a biotech company that has 30 or 40 million dollars to prove your concept, that it really is important to do that. So stay focused, to prove your concept, and then to raise capital or to get capital from clients and revenue. Have a good one.